So I have two windows here. This is for producer and this is for consumer. If I type here hello, so it comes to it. So producer can produce the message and consumer consuming the message. This is simple Kafka producer and Kafka consumer. So inbuilt we have in our Kafka, so you can test your Kafka according. You can use Kafka producer and you can use Kafka consumer to test your Kafka. This is my topic name. Topic name is my test. Okay, here also my topic name is same. The command to produce and consume. We have to produce message. This is the command. You have to run Kafka producer dot batch file, and then we have broker list localhost 9092. This is our Kafka topic port, Kafka port, and this is our topic name. To consume same, we have to execute this command Kafka console consumer dot batch hyphen Kafka. This is my topic name. Okay, from beginning I want to start and bootstrap server, and the port is same. Okay, so moving forward, so let's see with coding part. So here we will create one producer and consumer using Spring Boot application in this tutorial. Same work whatever we are trying to do here by command, we will do with Java example. So I will create one Spring Boot example, and here I will create one Kafka producer and will create one Kafka listener to consume that topic, and we will get the message we can produce and consume. Let's get started. Create new project. This is Spring Starter project. I will create Kafka example, Kafka demo, you can see. So here I will change this group ID to minor activity t.kafka. Okay, minor. You can choose anything you want, not an issue. Here also I changed, and I'm using Spring Boot version 2.6.1, and here I'm using Spring Web. Okay, let's search with web. Yeah, Spring Web I'm using. Apart from this, I will use Kafka. Okay, Spring for Apache Kafka. So this tutorial we will discuss about Spring for Apache Kafka. Next video probably we will discuss this video, then we will create on for Apache Kafka Stream and other as well. So let's finish this. This is Spring tool suite, so it will take some time to. Here we have our Kafka demo application. Let's try to. This is my starting point where our application starts. In boot application, let's try to run this. Everything is fine or not. Okay, port 8080 is already in use. Change this to YAML file instead of properties. We can use YAML. This YAML file I will configure server dot port. So the port number for our application is 2021. Let's say. Now I will try to start. So if you have properties file and you want to convert it into YAML, so you can directly do that. Now so here you can change the extension of your file by pressing function F2 or F2. You can rename here. I've changed the extension and now it's YAML file, and if you see here my Tomcat server has been started on port number 2021, whatever the port I have given started. Okay, so coming to our coding part, I will create one controller and will create one service. In service I will call the topic and send one message. Yeah, so start from controller. So I will write one controller here. This is my controller, and to define the controller, it has, we have to provide REST controller. So REST controller we have to define. If you want to declare your class as a controller, then you have to, because we are using REST. REST is nothing but representational state transfer. This we can create our own API, or we can say we can create our REST endpoints here. So it has flexibility. We can use get, post, put, delete, any method if you want. Here we have to declare our request mapping as well and its value. Here I am providing the value as, this is my Kafka/API, and here I am writing one method to send message to that topic. Okay, we can also declare Kafka topic name here. Hard coded we can use, or we can create one constant here. In this constant I have public static final string, and that is my test. This is my topic name. If you want to declare constant, you can use class like this, or you can use interface as well, because inside the interface all variables are by default public static final. Okay, here we will create one. So my method is public and return type is void, and method name is send. This is method signature. Again we have to use request mapping, or we can use post mapping. Okay, this time we will use get mapping for making things simple. Yeah, this is my get mapping. Here request mapping is nothing but request mapping with get method here. And so our API, our base path, and Kafka API/send. Now whenever we hit this, we need some message. So here path variable, request parameter, type of this is a string, so we need to pass message here. Now this is controller part, and here I need to call service. I will create one service and call it from here. Whenever we call this API, it will come to this method, and this method will call that Kafka service. Kafka service I will create here. My Kafka service class, here I need to declare it as a service, so it work as a service here. Here I need to write logic to send message to that Kafka topic. This I need to take a variable Kafka template. Here my type is string Kafka template. Okay, I need to auto wire it. Okay, we need to auto wire this Kafka template, and now we have to write one method, that is public void send message to Kafka. This will accept one message that is string type, and I need to use this Kafka template to send the message. Here we have parameter topic name and data. So topic name is nothing but our message. Topic name can use constants but topic name. Like this we can send. We will get listenable future result. We will get future object. So here I will write one sysout. A log you can also use. So this time I am using system.out.system.err and pass our message. This will print whatever the message we are sending. So for debugging purpose I have written, I will call this method from here, that I need to auto wire the Kafka service first. Kafka service, and this is my main. Here we need to use @autowire. So now with service service has one method called, that is send message to. That's enough I think. Also we need to configure this YAML file for Kafka. So here consumer and producer, we have to consumer, bootstrap server, client ID. These are the things we have to define here. Yeah, their bootstrap server has 9092. I have already shown you 90. Group ID you can declare my group. Auto reset offset, you see it's automatically coming. Earliest is also coming. Then producer and bootstrap server. Bootstrap server is key serializer and value serializer. I have taken all the okay, I think configuration is done. Let's try to run this application and let's see what happens. Run as SpringBoot application. It's already in use. Let's kill all process, terminate it. Now try to run this application again on 2021. My Kafka is already running. It's running now. So now we need to test this application. Here is my Chrome browser. We have local host 021 our port / whatever we have given in our controller. So here is my controller. I have this path, then I have one more path. Okay, I have changed this request param because it's not getting the message param, and we need to pass it as a query parameter, as a request parameter. This is my message, and if you see here the message send log we are seeing means our controller to here we are getting message. And let's check into the consumer not able to consume it. Now it's coming. Whatever the message we have said, it's consuming. So this is I have sent from this browser. I will do one thing.